Of course, doing what you love for a living and having the freedom to work from your home is awesome. But personally, my favorite aspect of making YouTube videos and making money by doing so is how you make that money. You don't get checks in advance in exchange to publish a certain number of videos. Instead, you get paid for your views. Google, which owns YouTube, won't pay you to make videos. They will pay you when people watch your videos. What does that mean? It's simple. When people watch your videos, you make money. It doesn't matter what you're doing at the time. You could be working on a new video, sleeping, eating, and meanwhile, your income is accumulating. You get paid as people view your videos, regardless of your activity. Unlike a typical job, you don't get paid based on the hours you work. Now, this can work both in and against your favor. Meaning, you could spend an hour on making a video, and it can generate you $1,000 in the next month, but at the same time, it could only generate you $15 throughout the entire year. It all depends on the amount of views you get, but we'll talk about that later in the course. By making YouTube videos, you are investing your time. You could spend some time on creating content, even though no one pays you to do so. You start making money as the video is published and starts getting traffic. And you don't only get to keep the money made in the first day, week, or month. Your video will generate you revenue for as long as it's up on your channel. So a video that took you a few hours to make can potentially generate you a few $1,000s in the next 3 years. It seems like a good investment in my opinion. Just remember that the full financial reward is never instant. This is why the more videos you make, the larger income you generally qualify for. Your overall earnings are the sum of views all your videos got. So if you have created a video and it makes you $1 a month, you'll be making $1 each month. Simple. But if you create 10 videos that make you $1 a month each, you'll be making $10 a month. 100 videos means $100 a month, and so on. Of course, I hope that your videos will be making you more than just $1 a month each. And they should after you complete this course. It's very satisfying to see yourself making money directly from your product. When you start working for YouTube, you won't be getting paid for the hours you spend working. Instead, you'll be getting paid for the value you create. Because it doesn't matter how long you spend working on a bad video, it will not create a lot of revenue. However, if you create a good video, regardless of how long it took you, the odds are it will make you a lot of money. Another great feeling you will get from making money on YouTube is calculating how much you were paid to do something. For example, you check how much money you've made from your videos before going to bed. And then check how much you've made after waking up. Then you can say to yourself, hey, I made $50 in my sleep. You cannot do that with a regular job. Last but not least, as far as your earnings are concerned, don't forget that there isn't a limit of money you can make from your videos. Whatever you make, you can always increase that number by gaining more views. Working on YouTube, you will not have a fixed salary. It will only depend on the number of people that watch your content. And as that number increases, so does your paycheck.